Good evening to all of you. Today we start topic qualities of front office staff. As the front office is a critical department in a hotel in view of its revenue, generating capacity and influence in image building. The staff working in it assume a special importance. Great care is taken in the selection of front office staff as they play a key role as salesmen. They motivate the guests to spend more on the hotel facilities. The problem solvers guests invariably approach the front office for help in case they have a problem or complaint. The staff have to be diplomatic and resourceful to solve the problems at the shortest possible time. A reference point guests who want information or want to pass an information use them for its purpose. The coordinators, since they are reference point, the front office staff are required to coordinate with other departments. The airline's travel agency and city tour offices to give the guests personalized services. The image builders as an extension of their salesman's role, the front office staff can generate a good image of establishment in their manners of dress, communication, personal conduct, and efficiency. The, the essential attributes. In view of a important role they play, the front office staff must have the following essential attributes. The first one is a high sense of personal grooming. The uniform must be clean and neatly processed. The hair should be groomed well. It is preferable. It is preferable for ladies to tie their hair up in a bun. The nails should be manicured. A soft clothing is preferable to heavy perfumed. The jewelry should be restricted to one ring and a necklace for ladies. In short, the front office staff must be seen at their best at all times. The second one is personal hygiene. It is imperative to front office personnel as they are constantly exposed to hotel guests. A clean appearance help to protect project a good image not only for themselves but of the establishments as well. The fourth one is self-confident. This is necessary as front office personnel meet guests of different countries, status and cultures. They should be comfortable and feel at ease in dealing with these peoples. National communication must be correct and clear. It is preferable and front office staff know more than one language. It helps in communicating with guests who cannot speak English. The sixth is diplomacy is the guest attributes required. Very often there are situations when a guest is irritated over something. A diplomatic dealing helps in confusing the explosiveness moment. The seventh one is the calmness to take the busy demands of front office operations. Being the nerve center of the hotel, the front office is constantly in touch with guests and therefore invariability comes under tremendous pressure. The guests always expect personalized priority treatment and the pressure of demand never kisses. The couples with these difficult guests who can unsure a person. The front office staff should thus have a high degree of tolerance for pressure of work and be calm and composed at all times. Ability to remember names and faces as these single attributes discriminate the good from the average amongst the front office staff. Every individual has an ego and his name is most precious and personal to him. If the front office staffs can be almost guests by their names, thus immediately flatter them with personality and guest experience. The guest begins to feel he is welcome as people recognize by him by name. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academy.